Welcome to a demonstration of the capabilities of Teradata Analytics for SAP. SAP ERP provides an excellent system for integrating business functions, but accessing valuable data from SAP ERP for BI purposes has always been extremely difficult. Until now, Teradata Analytics for SAP unlocks your SAP data. It provides an enterprise-wide view of all SAP and non-SAP data, so more complex business questions can be asked and new insights gained. It enables better query and load performance and the ability to grow with the business as demands change. It increases manageability of all your data, lowering the maintenance costs and providing a common data platform for your integrated data warehouse. Teradata Analytics for SAP comes with over 150 pre-built reports in business objects. Or you can continue to use your own BI tool, as Teradata Analytics for SAP is BI agnostic. Here is one of the standard reports, Top 10 Customer by Revenue. As Teradata Analytics for SAP reports are flexible and easy to customize, we have also added revenue trend by current and previous year, and margin by material group. From this report, business users can drill down to gain further information by a click of a button. See month-by-month sales, a list of billing documents, right down to the detail as recorded in SAP. But that is only half the story. The customer may be in the top 10 by revenue, but if they do not pay on time, they may cause cash flow problems. Uniquely, Teradata Analytics for SAP is able to integrate data from different functions and access accounts receivable information from this revenue report. In this example, you can see the customer consistently pays in 60 days. However, in the following example, you will see that the customer is inconsistent with payments, which may need to be addressed by the company to prevent problems in the future. Going back to the original report, we will now look at margin by material group. Your company is likely to be most interested in the reports that show an exception to the rule. For example, negative margin figures. It appears the example company is using hard disks as a loss leader. Whether this is a good idea can only be seen by drilling deeper into the data. And do companies that purchase hard disks also buy other products with positive margins? Only then will it be possible to decide whether this is a good tactic for the company. With Teradata Analytics for SAP, business users are empowered to create their own reports without IT support structures or delays, helping to improve issues caused by report latency. Using business objects, we will create a report showing the top 3 products by revenue. For this, we will use the Revenue module, one of 17 modules available for Teradata Analytics for SAP. Having clicked on New and choosing the universe, you decide which module you would like to obtain the data from. And then you simply drag and drop the measures you would like included. For the purposes of this report, we will be including product hierarchy name, invoice value, and for the filters, we will be looking at a specific year. For this one, we will use 2011. And then we simply run the query. Teradata Analytics for SAP facilitates self-service BI by giving the tables extracted from SAP meaningful names, i.e. invoice value, making it easier for business users to create their own reports. This table shows the top 5 products in the first product hierarchy. So in order to filter this down, we simply go to Ranking and select Top 3. I think this report would look better if it was more visual, so this will be turned into a column chart. Because of the hierarchies that have been included, we can now drill down and see more detail till we get to the actual product being sold. So it's very simple for business users to access the information they need. It is vital to be confident in the data that is being used in Teradata Analytics for SAP, so we provide the ability to reconcile the data back to its source. Earlier, we were able to see a specific billing document, or a VF03 transaction. We are able to reconcile this document back to the source, helping to prove the data is correct. Complete data reconciliation is also possible. In SAP Front End, the billing document code can be searched and the original document found and checked against the version in Teradata Analytics for SAP. Next, we will look at how Teradata Analytics for SAP works. Teradata Analytics is a platform specifically designed for analysing the customer's SAP ERP data and takes into account SAP's own business models and processes. It has the flexibility to present data from multiple SAP systems and non-SAP systems. Teradata Analytics for SAP is an out-of-the-box solution that includes pre-built extract, load and transform processes, data models and architecture. Looking now at sources, a basic SAP ERP system contains a minimum of 25,000 tables of data. The Teradata Analytics for SAP data model has been created to identify the relevant data and extract only those pertinent for business analytics. The off-the-shelf aspect of the software can deliver results in just a few days when SAP ERP is the source. Now looking at ETL, Teradata Analytics for SAP includes ELT processes to automate extraction of SAP data into a Teradata environment. Either Business Objects or Informatica can be used for this. The staging area. Some data extracted from SAP or other sources needs additional transformations or a specific data logic before it can be persistently stored. For this, a staging area exists. Core Enterprise Model. The data in the core is detailed. That means that the data is rich, which allows for optimal flexibility to create everything from very detailed operational list reports to dashboards with aggregated measures and KPIs. In the core, all table objects have meaningful names, immediately revealing their purpose and making the module easy to understand and facilitating self-service BI, as has been demonstrated. Teradata Analytics for SAP also includes an access layer or presentation layer with over 150 pre-built reports in business objects. Alternatively, you can use your own preferred BI tool, as Teradata Analytics for SAP is BI agnostic. Thank you for listening to this demonstration of Teradata Analytics for SAP. If you'd like to find out more, please contact your Teradata advisor.